deserts occupy a huge area on our planet, about 1/5 of the area, and about 1/6 of our population lives in or near deserts. They're important and fascinating places, and I'm excited to talk with you about them. The course really has 3 parts. We'll start with geography mostly, and much of this will deal with climate. We'll try to explain what deserts are and where they are, and very importantly, why they are where they are. From there, most of the course will deal with something that I know a lot about because I am a plant scientist. We'll talk about plants, and specifically the unique and unusual sometimes strategies that plants will use to live and prosper in deserts. From there, we'll move on to talk about people and how they perceive deserts, and especially how those of us in Western European associated cultures view deserts in ways that are really quite different from those of people who live in deserts. We're the outsiders, and I'd like to help us learn more about the insiders, the folks who really truly live and appreciate deserts. So with that, I'd be very excited to have all of you come and help me learn more about deserts, these fascinating places that hopefully will, by learning more about, no longer fear. Tucson is a unique and unusual place in that for many people who study deserts, it's really just a little bit too wet here to be truly a desert. We're in this odd, semi-arid environment right on the edge of a very large desert, the Sonoran Desert. And at the beginning of our course, we'll talk quite a lot about that, how deserts are defined, how they're produced, and we'll try to explain why it is that Tucson is so unusual. We'll certainly talk a lot about the plants from the Sonoran Desert, many of which those of us who live here in Tucson have learned to appreciate and use in our landscapes. So yes, we will talk quite a bit about Tucson. So I hope that all of you will think seriously about joining our course, Deserts, Plants, and People, this summer. I hope to help you learn about why deserts are where they are, the sorts of organisms, especially plants, that survive in them, and how we as people can better appreciate deserts around us.